Hi friends, welcome back to the another video of Carbon Custom. So today we unbox this Isuzu D-Max which comes with black color. Basically this is a 1 by 32 plastic Isuzu scale model which comes with this packaging. You can see here is the adventure logo. Let's see on back side. You can see there is a Max T1 name with branding of this car, because this is not licensed product, that's why they use only a Max T1. You can see the price. This is a 420 rupees price, but I buy this car in 220 rupees in offer, and this car is I purchased from Carbon Customs. So let's start the unboxing of this car. Now this is the car. You can see I buy in black color. In this car you have option in white color, black color, blue, cream color and pink color also. Actually I planned to buy blue color, but it's not available, so that's why I buy this product. So let's start with front look of this car. You can see there is a chrome grille with original shape headlight. This is a dummy headlight, not working, but the you can, if you are trying to install LEDs, so this is a fully working lights or reflect in original type. Now in front, not very so much detail, like the hood is not openable, but inside this door is openable. Only front door is openable, you can see. And the best part of this car is this is a fully framed door. That's why this car is special from like Senti Trailbuster, because in Senti Trailbuster there is a no like this car is comes with a frameless door, so it's the bad part of this car. But overall this car is also a heavy and like muscular car, and this is also a best. This car I buy in black color because I want blue color. This is not available in these shops, that's why I buy this black color. And now we plan to convert this car into another color, so suggest me in the comments which color I do in this car. And going on side, you can see the doors are openable, back door is not openable. You can see the roof, you have roof rail, and inside the alloy quality is better, not good, better, because it's not a fully details. Or you can see the shape of this tire, like roller tire, so that's why it's better. And now you can see inside you have two fender like original car. Now going on back, you have to give this tail light which is red color, and it's details from original car. And in rear you can open this tailgate, and the quality is also better in this car. The bumper is also original, and you can see the MT-03 badging over here, because no Isuzu name, because this is not licensed products, that's why no Isuzu logo in this car. Going on upper, you can see the rear trolley. This is also very detailed, you can see. And going on interior, we open this door and you can see the interior. Steering is also a detail, dashboard is not much detail, but in that price this car is good to buy. You can also buy this car in that price, is 230 rupees, so best buy. You can see the rear glass is also original, like you can see clearly interior is visible in this car. and this car is comes with pullback action. You can see the motor speed. So please subscribe the channel and like the video, and now you can enjoy the cinematic shot of this car.